Is your
You want a
garage
video?
door
Do that and then see the
malfunctioning?
little lines. Just
Whether it's a broken spring, a door off track, or a faulty opener, quick action is key to restoring both safety and convenience. In Los Angeles, emergency garage door repair services are available 24/7 to ensure your home or business stays secure.
Yeah, over there, Spencer.
Common
Hill.
issues include broken springs, misaligned doors, and faulty openers, all of which can be fixed on the spot by trained professionals.
She must back
When
to the
choosing a
car.
repair service, look for companies with licensed technicians,
That roll
a
is
strong
broken.
local reputation, and round-the-clock availability. And remember, regular maintenance, like inspecting springs and lubricating tracks, can help prevent costly emergencies. So don't wait for small problems to become big ones. Contact a reliable garage door specialist today and keep your property safe.